Ever downloaded a free app and suddenly your browser's flooded with pop-ups? You might have just installed Adware, and it's sneaker than you might think.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Today we're going under the hood to dissect the source code of a real Adware sample and show you how it works, how it hides, and how you can spot before it affects the system. So, Adware is software that displays unwanted ads on your device, often without your clear consent. It can slow your system, hijack your browser, track your behavior, and even open back doors for worse malware. Most adware hide in plain sight, bundled with free apps, fake downloads, or pirated software. You think you're getting a free media player, but you're really getting a payload or a persistent code. Let's look at a real-world adware example. This looks like a normal Chrome update page, but it's a trap. Behind it, fake alerts, scare tactics, phone scams, and today we're diving into the code to show you exactly how it tricks people. Welcome to the dark side of adware. This is Avenger. Chrome update page. It looks real, but it's a total clone. No update happens. Instead, it tricks the user into clicking, which can lead to more pop-ups, downloads, or even worse. Next up is a classic. Your iPhone has been infected. Complete with Apple logos and urgent warnings. It even gives you a phone number. But if you call it, you're not talking to Apple. You're talking to a scammer. Here's another Apple-themed alert. This one says a virus has been detected. Same scare tactics, same shady setup. Let's peek inside the HTML. So we can see where it sources PNG for those fake images. Finally, we'll look at a couple. But finally, this one pretends to be from Google. Same deal. You've been infected with another phone number. Let's crack it open. So what's the goal here? Fear. These pages trick people into calling, clicking, or downloading, and every step opens the door wider for scammers. Always remember, real updates won't come through pop-ups. Real companies won't tell you to call a number, and if it looks sketchy, it probably is. Until next time, infinite exploit.